ధైర్యంగా చెప్పుకుంది. అంత అంతరిక్షంలో 6 నెలలు ఉన్నా నేను భయపడకపోవడానికి 2 కారణాలు. నేను అంతరిక్షంలోకి కూడా నాతో పట్టుకెళ్లినవి 2. ఒకటి వినాయక ప్రతిమ, 2 భగవద్గీత. నేను ఎక్కడికి వెళ్ళినా ఈ 2 పట్టుకెడతాను. వినాయకుడు నా చెంతనుండగా, భగవద్గీత నా పక్కనుండగా నాకు అపజయం లేదని చెప్పుకుంది.
I really appreciate my Indian heritage and was glad I could bring part of it with me to space. Ganesh has always been in my house. Everywhere I've lived, I've had Ganesh, and so he had to come with me to space, of course. And Indian food, you can never get enough of Indian food. I was so excited to come here to know that I would be eating Indian food, so I had to make sure I had samosas in space with me. Bhagavad Gita, and this last time I brought a small copy interpretation of Upanishad with me. I also brought along with the Bhagavad Gita the Odyssey, and I thought that was also quite appropriate to be in space and have those types of things to reflect and read.
Alex, Butch, Sunny, on behalf of SpaceX, welcome home.
On to the ship, we have a very special treat,
Which is what this team is preparing for now. As for the recovery teams themselves, we started the day taking a series of helicopters out to the vessel. Oh yeah, Sandra, this view is absolutely unbeatable. So just to kind of finish off what I was saying is, once that side hatch of the spacecraft is open, that crew will be assisted out of the capsule one by one.
In the distance there between, oh, dolphin cam back again. We can see.
so once securely on,
కడప జిల్లాలోని మరిన్ని వార్తా విశేషాల అప్డేట్స్ కోసం మా SCN న్యూస్ ఛానల్ను తప్పకుండా చూడండి.